So today a very short one by special request, a little bit more of a closer look at shifting and clutching, high ratio, low ratio, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. We'll start with this very helpful data plate that's fitted to the glove box, which tells us first that we're in a diesel four-wheel drive Mitsubishi. The segment on the right shows us the shift pattern for the gear lever, for the two and four-wheel drive control, and the low ratio, high ratio gear lever. Regular four-speed gearbox, first, second, third, fourth, neutral. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. This can be shifted while driving, I think, up to 50 kilometers per hour just by clutching, like that. Low and high ratio is on an interlock. So like this, I cannot shift beyond neutral. You have to be first in four-wheel drive, and then I can shift into low ratio, and then we have our four low gears. Neutral, which is in the middle, is in case you have a PTO or power takeoff installed, and then you can drive accessories without moving the vehicle. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. These drawings, which are from the parts manual, show us the location and the fitment of the detent bar, which prevents low ratio being selected while in two-wheel drive. The second data plate gives us the minimum and maximum speeds for all four gears in low ratio and high ratio, plus reverse. Four-wheel drive, low ratio, and then we can start. First, second, to go back into high ratio, you want to be stopped, clutch in, and then we can drive away in high four.